Alright guys, we're on lesson 12 homework now. If you're watching this video, you need to have your lesson 12 homework out. I'm going to give you some answers. So A is already done for us. It already told us the answer was 16, so we don't even do A. Well, on A you will finish by drawing a picture, because for all of these, we're going to do vertical form and a picture. But we're going to move on to B, because you know how to draw your picture. On B, we're going to set up our vertical form. The biggest number goes on top, the smallest number goes on the bottom. We add our subtraction sign. Can I do 1 minus 6? No, I'm going to have to go over to my tens, take 1 10 away. If I have 4 tens, I take 1 away, I now have 3 tens. My 4 turned into a 3. I now have 10 ones in my hand, and they have to go somewhere. They cannot disappear. I'm going to add my 10 ones to the ones place. So right now I already have a 1, and I'm going to add 10 ones to it. What's 1 plus 10? It's 11. So I need to add 11 to my ones place. Now I have 11 minus 6. Can I do that? Oh yeah. Put the smaller number in my head. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 5. My answer is 5. 3 minus 1. Oh, that's an easy one. I can do that in my head. The answer is 2. So now I have 25, but I can't trust myself. I need to draw my picture. I'm going to set up my picture, my tens and my ones. I always draw my first number first. 41 in this case. 4 tens, 1 1. Now, I am subtracting 16. So I need to look. This is not like when we're adding. The subtraction problem picture is totally different. So I need to minus 6 ones. Can I minus 6 ones? Nope. I need to look to my tens, cross out a 10, draw an arrow over, and draw my 10 ones. Now, can I minus 6? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have to subtract my 1 that's in the tens place, because it's 16. It's not just 6. So I'm going to subtract 1 from the tens. Now am I done? I need to count up. So for my tens place, I have 2 tens. In my ones place, I have 5 ones. Do my numbers match? If yes, like right now, I am correct. I can put my number at the top. You're doing all of the ones on this page just like this. Pause it here so you can get this answer. We're going to go ahead and flip over to the back because it's a word problem and it's pretty long, and I feel like we should do that one together. So on the back it says, for number 2, some first and second grade students voted on their favorite drink. The table shows the number of votes for each drink. All right, so A, we're moving on to A down here. A questions. How many more students voted for fruit punch than for milk? When it says how many more, are we adding or subtracting? We are going to be subtracting. So it says fruit punch, the milk. So we need to write down our fruit punch number, which is 37. Our milk number is 28. We are going to subtract these and find the answer. I want you to show your work doing vertical and picture form. Biggest number goes on top, smallest number on the bottom. 7 minus 8, can we do that? Nope. Go over to the tens. I have 3 tens. I take away 1. I get 2 tens. I have 10 ones in my hand. They have to go somewhere. I'm going to add them to the ones place. 7 plus 10 equals 17. My 7 turns into a 17. 17 minus 8. Ready? We can do this. 8 in our head. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I got 9 fingers up. My answer is 9. 2 minus 2, super easy. That's 0. Now I'm going to draw my picture, my 10 and my ones. I'm going to draw my 37 first. Now, can I minus my 8 ones from here? Nope, I gotta grab from the tens, bring it on over, draw my 10 ones. Now can I minus 8? Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I need to minus my 2 tens. 1, 2. I have a 0 in the tens, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the ones. Do my answers match? They both are 9. My answer is 9. Now look closely. The rest of these, if you need to go back and pause the video for that answer, you definitely can. The rest of these, I'm going to tell you the key important parts, and you're going to work them out on your own. B says, how many more students voted for orange juice than grape juice? The word how many more again, are we subtracting or are we adding? How many more means subtract. So we're taking the number of orange juice and we're subtracting it from the number of grape juice. You're doing that on your paper. For C, C says how many fewer. The word fewer, is fewer subtract or add? Fewer is always subtract. How many fewer students voted for apple juice than for milk? So you have the number of apple juice and the number for milk. You're going to subtract them. You're going to do 28 minus 19 equals what? So go ahead and pause here. You know the equations you have to do. You just now have to do it vertical in picture form. Thank you guys.